The Moonlit Voyage of the Dancing Fireflies. Once, in a village nestled between emerald jungles and turquoise seas on the island of Java, there lived a kind-hearted boy named Lintang. His home was a bamboo hut where the air smelled of clove blossoms and the nights hummed with the songs of frogs and cicadas. One evening, as Lintang swayed in his hammock, a swarm of golden fireflies circled him, forming the shape of a winged creature. From the light emerged Cahaya, a luminous Javan hawk eagle with feathers like molten sunlight. "Come, little guardian," Cahaya trilled. "Tonight you'll sail the starlight Nusantara river of dreams that binds Indonesia's islands. Will you join me?" Lintang grinned, and with a flap of Cahaya's wings, they soared into the velvet sky. The Temple of Whispering Stones. They landed at Borobudur, where ancient stone stupas glowed under the moon. A gentle giant made of moss and shadow, Dwarapala, guarded the temple. "These stones sing of peace," he rumbled, placing a lotus flower carved from obsidian in Lintang's palm. "Carry its wisdom." As they left, fireflies lit their path like floating stars. The Mermaid Queen's Lagoon. Next they glided to Raja Ampat, where bioluminescent waves lapped at coral palaces. Ratu Laut, a mermaid queen with a crown of sea foam and seashells, rose from the depths. "Dance with my jellyfish," she laughed, twirling Lintang through the water. She gifted him a pearl that shimmered with every hue of the ocean. "To remember the sea's heartbeat," she said. The Dragon of the Volcano. On Bali, they met Baruna, a dragon with scales like molten lava and smoke curling from his nostrils. He coiled around Mount Agung, his voice a low, warm growl. "Fear not the earth's rumblets, her lullaby," he said, handing Lintang a frangipani blossom that never wilted. "For courage when storms brew." The Lake of 1,000 Tales. At Lake Toba, a colossal silk-clad figure, Putri Toba, emerged from the waters. Her hair flowed like midnight rivers, and her laughter echoed the old legends. "My lake holds stories older than mountains," she said, offering a golden scale that hummed when held to the ear. "Listen, and you'll hear your ancestors' voices." As dawn painted the sky mango orange, Cahaya flew Lintang home. "Indonesia's magic lives in its stories," she whispered, tucking him into bed. "And now, in you." Lintang clutched his gift's lotus, pearl, blossom, and scalias. Sleep wrapped him in warmth. That night, he dreamed of stone giants singing, mermaids dancing, and volcanoes humming lullabies. And far away, Cahaya's golden light flickered in the jungle, ready to guide another child when the starlight Nusantara next shimmered. Selamat tidur, little explorer. May the archipelago's magic fill your dreams.